Hey Martin, did you lose something?
Yeah, my parking meter ran out 20 minutes ago. I don't have any change.
Oh, you should use the app from Quickway Parking. Their dev team came by and we checked the toolbox for a way to schedule their nightly billing job. Stay tuned if you'd like to know more. Quickway lets you pay for parking through their app. They built a nightly billing job which charges the credit card of any user who has built up a balance during the day.
Their billing job runs in Cloud Run, which is serverless. This means they don't have to manage servers or pay for idle capacity. Also, it scales up automatically as the company grows.
They use Cloud Scheduler to kick off the nightly billing job. Cloud Scheduler is fully managed by Google, which means that the team doesn't have to worry about maintenance. It just works.
Cloud Scheduler triggers code either by making an HTTPS call or by publishing a PubSub message. The team chooses HTTPS.
They configure Cloud Scheduler to make a post request to their billing service, nightly at 1 a.m. GMT. They also set a JSON payload that specifies the minimum balance. Only customers with a balance of $5 or more will be billed.
Cloud Run lets the team pick any programming language they can find a compatible container for. The team has experience in JavaScript, so they pick Node.js. At the top of their code, they create and initialize an Express app that listens for incoming HTTP calls. Note that Cloud Scheduler uses the text/plain content type, so they have to tell Body Parser to parse more than the default application/JSON type.
The post handler parses the minimum balance that was sent to it from Cloud Scheduler. We have replaced the actual billing code with a comment.
The billing job will now be triggered nightly. But this billing service is publicly exposed to the internet, meaning anyone can trigger it by posting to the URL. We need to make it private, so only Cloud Scheduler can trigger it.
The team removes the all users member from the service, which makes it private.
Next, they create a new service account called Billing Initiator.
They then give the new account the Cloud Run Invoker role. This means that Billing Initiator can trigger Cloud Run services, but do nothing else.
Next, they copy the email of the Billing Initiator account.
Then they open the job in Cloud Scheduler and enable the OICD token. OICD stands for OpenID Connect. They tells Cloud Scheduler to use the Billing Initiator account.
Now the billing service is closed to the public, but it can still be triggered by Cloud Scheduler.
So, the dev team at Quickway Parking gave me this US $1 bill. How much Cloud Scheduler would they get for that $1?
Well, you get 3 Cloud Scheduler jobs for free. If they've scheduled those free jobs already, they would have to pay 10 cents per month for this job. So that $1 bill would last them 10 months.
Excellent. Is that a tow truck I see in the parking lot?
Oh, shoot!
To learn more about what else you can do with Cloud Run, see this episode. In the comments below, let us know how you use Cloud Scheduler, or if you have any questions you'd like us to answer on the show.